Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can archive or unarchive chat on Messenger. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you can open up your Messenger. You can open the Messenger from your Facebook app, or you can immediately open up the Messenger from the Messenger app. If you don't have the Messenger application on your phone, you can go to your Facebook and then you can click on this icon to open up the Messenger. And then I'm just going to open up my Messenger because I have installed this Messenger on my mobile phone. Okay, I'm going to open up my Messenger and I'm going to show you how we can archive or unarchive chat on Messenger. For example, guys, I'm going to archive my personal chat, this one. We can tap and hold on the chat until these options appear on our screen. And then we can simply click on archive to archive the chat. Okay, and after you archive chat on your Messenger, the chat will be moved to the archive chat list. And as you can see that the chat is not here right now, and I'm going to show you how we can find the archive chat. So you just need to click on the three lines on the top left and then go to the archive. Okay, and these are the chats I have archived on my Messenger. And if you want to unarchive the chat, you can tap and hold on the chat again and then simply click on unarchive. And the chat will be back to the main chat list. Okay, and let's practice it one more time. I'm going to archive my group chat. Okay, tap and hold on the group chat, select archive, and then if you want to unarchive the chat, you can click on these three lines, go to the archive menu. Okay, and this is my group chat. I'm going to archive it, tap and hold, I'm going to unarchive it, and then we can tap and hold on it and click on unarchive. Okay, and the group chat has been back to the main chat list on my Messenger. That's so easy, right? Basically, you just need to tap and hold on the chat and then you can click on archive to unarchive it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to archive and unarchive chat on Messenger. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.